Hi guys, sorry I keep touching my microphone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So today we're doing something different. I mean, I'm pretty new, but I'm trying to figure out like my schedule and what kind of videos I like to do more than others. And so today I'm gonna try something new and we're gonna do a Flashback Friday. So if you're interested in seeing how I use this soft glam palette, I feel like most makeup lovers have this palette. So I'm gonna put something together for you guys, and if you're interested in watching that, please stay tuned. Okay, so I've already done the brows and set my lids, and that's it. So I'm gonna get started, but before I get started, if you don't have this palette, I wanna give you some information. So they do have it available on their website. It is $42 plus tax. And if you don't have anything from Anastasia and you're not signed up, you can actually get a 15% off for new subscribers that sign up for the website. So it would be $42 times the 15% off, in case you guys are interested in purchasing this. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take this brush. I feel like I take the same brush every time, but that's okay, that's okay. Stick to what you like. So how's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's day is good, and it's Friday, so that's nice, right? So I'm going to start off with this burnt orange color right here. And I'm just gonna put it everywhere, all over here, and then bring it all out. So one thing I wanna mention, if you guys are planning on using this tape method, make sure you take off the stickiness before you apply it to your eye. What I mean by that is put it on your hand once or twice and then apply it to your eye, because what happened to me once when I was using this method is I didn't do that and I really hurt my eye, so just be very careful. So I'm bringing it all the way up. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Like what kind of look I'm going for. But this is great. And this is a flashback Friday for most of you guys, because I'm sure you probably got this palette way long ago, but this is pretty fairly new to me, this palette, because I got this on Black Friday in 2019. But I've been loving it. I think I've used it 3 times. This is my 4th. Okay, so now we're done with that shade. Something super quick. And I'm going to do this eye, and then I'm going to do this eye off camera. So now I'm going to take Mulberry, and I'm going to apply it on this edge. So yeah, let me know if you like this palette. Am I the only one that's like in love with it right now, or do you guys still use it? I know it's in a lot of people's collection, and most people love it. So let me know down below. Okay, so now I'm going to take Mulberry on this Morphe M434 brush, and I'm gonna try to keep it mostly on this edge. That pigmentation though. And I do prefer to do this my eyes first, most of the time. Like probably a handful of times that I've done it the other way around, and it was probably because I was going for like a super simple look, so I knew there was gonna be fallout and I didn't want like a sharp line out of it. I wanted something more natural. So I usually use this tape method, and I do my eyeshadow first because I just feel like it's cleaner. So just keeping it here. I may cut the crease, or if not, then I'll just add some shadow. We'll see. Still debating. So by the time this video goes up, I will be back in school, and I really hope that I can get my schedule figured out, because I don't want to stop posting YouTube videos. It's my outlet. It's what I do for fun. And this video is sponsored by my husband. I don't know how that sounds. I don't know if that makes me sound spoiled or what, but just so you guys get a little background on me, if you don't already know, I've worked since I could work, since I was 16 years old, because I didn't want to ask my mom and dad for money all the time. We weren't like, we didn't have all the money in the world, so I always wanted stuff, so I was like, you know what? I need to get a job. So I worked at a pizza place. That was my first job. And the first thing that I did when I think my first few paychecks were I bought stuff for myself, but then I saved money to purchase things for my mom and dad because obviously they've done a lot for me and they used to buy me everything that they could, so just wanted to give back to them. But anywho, I've worked since I was 16 years old. You know, on and off, I took some time off because I was in high school and things got to be too much at times. And then my freshman year of college, when I was doing my bachelor's, I also took some time off because I was trying to figure out school and college. But then after that, I haven't stopped working. So I worked 16 through, say, 18, took some time off, 18 to 19, and then went back to work when I was 19. And I didn't stop working until I was 27 years old. And the only reason I'm doing this is because I can and we can afford it. If we couldn't afford it, of course, I'd be working my ass off right now, but I'm super, super thankful and grateful for my husband. He let me take this time off so I can focus on school. And I will be done in the summer, and then I'll go back, and then the videos will be sponsored by me and not by him. Okay. So I think that's good. And now I'm not gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna add something to brighten that up. What am I feeling today? Am I feeling so these three shades here look more powdery. This, and this. I want more of a glitter, so I think I'm going for that bronzy. So the brush that I like to use these types of brushes when I apply glitter, I mean metallic. So I am going to take it all over most of the lid, so pretty. So by now you should have seen my glitch palette from Ofra Cosmetics, and you see how that is so shimmery. That palette is not like this. This is what I love about, one thing I love about Anastasia Metallics. They're just so beautiful. You don't even need to spray them down, nothing. Okay, I'm going to grab a brush to kind of buff everything out on the outside. I'm going to take this Morphe brush that does not have a number, it comes in a little bundle. And I'm going to take, let me stop saying gonna. This shade Tempera. And I'm just going to apply it here up top. I always like to do this here to kind of blend everything out, that way it doesn't look like drastically one color to another color, like it kind of blends. My blending skills are not the best yet, but they're getting better and better each time I work with it. So I'm gonna do the other eye and the rest of the face, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do the bottom lash line. So I will be right back. Hi guys, we are back, and now I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. Just fix this. I'm gonna take this Farrah 6 short shading brush, and I am going to start with the mulberry shade that we used up top. I'm just gonna show you this eye and then I'll do the other eye off camera. That way you're not like here for 20 hours. So now the next shade I'm taking is that burnt orange. Just want to blend everything together. So I'm going to pop it right there, right here. Blend that-ish. So I'm going to try to stop cussing so much, but it's just not in my nature. But I'm going to try like saying duck. Fudge. Crap. All right. And now I'm going to do the inner corner. This one right here. So obviously you don't ever have to use the same brushes as me, but if they look similar, they probably do this very similar thing. So I am going to take this fairy shade right here. Whoa, powdery. But we know Anastasia is a little, she powdery, but she works. You work, girl. All right, so I'm gonna do this side and I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is the final look for my Flashback Friday. So yeah, let me know if you like these types of videos, Flashback Friday. I kind of want to do them on a monthly basis, maybe once or twice. Main reason is because I want to use up the items that I already have. I do want to try new items all the time, but I would like to also use up the items that I have. So hopefully this helps in encouraging you to use old stuff and not think that you just have to repurchase. I mean, you have to purchase new things and new things. So I don't know, maybe you'll like this. If you guys don't like it, maybe I won't film these things. But yeah, let me know down below if you like these types of videos. Comment anything, how your day is going, what you're doing this weekend since it is Friday. Thank you so much for being here, and hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe.